Okay, hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our topic, that is shapes and patterns. So that is our chapter number 8. So let's start what we are having here. Let's see. So this is a picture in which this is a picture in which a mother and a daughter are in the kitchen. So here we are having some utensils of different shapes. So just like the plates are of circle shape, jar is of cylindrical shape, and roller pen is also a cylindrical shape, and just like this. So we have to look for the different shapes in this chapter. Let's see. Okay. The first we are having the straight and curved lines. If we see this picture having a straight line, so this is a straight road, and if we look here, there is a zigzag pattern type. This is a curved road. Clear? And there are some other example, that is, this is a postcard, and the edges of postcards are of a straight line, and this dress, if we talk about the edges of this dress, are curved lines. Here we are having types of straight line. The first one is horizontal line, which is lying on the roadside type. And if we talk about the vertical line, these are towards the sky. And if we talk about the slant lines, these are just like little bit sliding position. So let's see what we are having next. Okay, here we are having plane figure. So if we talk about plane figures are those figures which we are going to draw or construct on a plain paper. Okay, so just like we have to use the straight lines and curved lines. Let's see what we are having plane figures. Okay, plane figures are just like those who have vertex and sides. So each corner of a plane figure is called vertex, and the plural of vertex is vertices, and the side is the straight line forming a figure is called its sides. So these figures are called plane figures. Clear? Next we are having triangle. So here we are having triangle of 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides are there, and 3 vertex are there. So triangle, this is a triangle, and triangle has 3 corners or vertices, and triangle has 3 sides. Clear? Next we are having rectangle. So this is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners are called vertices, just like 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices are there, and there is one more speciality, that is opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay, next we are having a square. So this is a square and it has 4 equal sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 vertices. Clear? And all the sides of the squares are equal. So next we are having circle and it has no corners. You see, there is a single curved line. Clear? So that's why circle has no corners. Okay, now we are having our exercise, that is 8.1. So here we are in question number 1. How many corners and sides do these flat shapes have? Okay, let's come to B part. Here we are having rectangle. And how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 sides are there. Okay, here we are having question number 2. How many of each do you see in this picture? So first is horizontal line, just like this. So let's see. 1. This is 2. Okay, horizontal lines are 2. Then vertical lines, those who are straight line, I think we are having no straight line as this. Okay, we can say that there is 0 vertical line. Next is slanting lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are having 7 slanting lines. Okay, now we are having next topic, that is solid figures around us. So now we are having solid figures which we are going to see in our daily life as a real object. Just like you are seeing this stylus, the shape of this stylus is cylindrical shape. If you look till here, clear? If you look at this part, so this is shaped just like a cone. Okay, I am having a watch. This is in the shape of circle. Okay, so okay, sorry, ये सर्कल वाला एग्जांपल कट कर देना. Okay, if we look at this phone, this is in a shape of cuboid. Okay, so these are the shapes which we are going to learn here. So, okay, solid figures around us. The first one we are having cuboid. So we are having this cuboid, and the cuboid has 8 vertices, and cuboid has 12 edges and 6 faces. 6 faces means just like top, bottom, 1, 2, front and back, 3, 4, and sides, 5, 6. Clear? In this way. Next, we are having cube. Okay, so this is cube. We are having a cube with all edges of the same length is called cube. It has same 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. But here we are having one more thing common. That is, each face of cube is a square. Okay. Now come to our next topic, that is sphere. A sphere is just like a ball. A sphere has only one face, because if you look at a ball from any side, it always looks like same. Okay. So sphere has no vertex because we have only curved surface here, and sphere has no edge, and sphere has a curved surface. Clear? Next we are having cylinder. Cylinder is just like this shape, and here we are having no vertex because we don't have any straight line. But you said this is a straight line. In figure this looks like a straight line, but in real life is this a straight line? No, this is a curved part. Clear? So a cylinder has two edges. These two edges are there. And cylinder has three faces, top, bottom, and this middle one. And the one face of cylinder is curved surface, and the two faces of cylinder are plane surface. These two are plane surface, and the middle one is curved face. Okay, next we are having cone. So this is a cone. It has one edge. That is this one. Sorry. This is a corner. The first one edge is this one, and it has two faces. The one is this one and the bottom one. And the one face of the cone is curved surface. This one is a curved surface, and the other face of the corner is plane surface. This bottom one, and the edge of cone is also curved. Okay. Now come to next part. So these are the examples of solid shapes we are having. For cuboid, we are having cuboid box, brick, matchbox. For cube, we are having ice cube and dice. For cone, we are having birthday cap and softie. And cylinder, we are gas cylinder, candle, and sphere. We are having football and glove. Clear? So here we are having our exercise, that is 8.2, fill in the blanks. So here we have B part, how many faces does a cube have? So we are having total 8 faces. And how many edges does a cube have? We are having 12 edges. Okay, so these type of questions you have to fill here. Next we are having match the following. So here we are having column A and column D. So this is A, this is for sphere, this is cylinder, and here we are having this one. Clear? Now come to our pattern part. Okay, let's see, there are patterns all around us. A pattern is made when shapes and numbers are repeated or put in sequence. Patterns help us to understand different things in life and maths. Okay, so here we are having these patterns. Okay, here we are having tile pattern, window grill pattern, and pattern with thumbprints. Okay, so these are different kinds of patterns here. Now we are having geometric pattern. If we look at them carefully, we are having the first is circle, then triangle, then two circles, then triangle, two circle, triangle. Okay, if we look at this part, this is square, rectangle, square, rectangle, square. Now here we are having rectangle. Clear? So these are the patterns. Now we are having exercise 8.3. Here we are in question number 1. What comes next in the sequence? So here we are having circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Now we are going to put a circle here, then triangle, then again circle. Clear? Next come to second part. Take the shape that will complete the pattern. Okay. Let's choose B part is triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. So here we are having rectangles. Okay students, I hope you all have clear your doubts and concepts. So thank you so much for listening to us carefully. See you in next video. Till then, all the best.